Hi my socialite, this is Kiki and welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry if the audio is not like perfect because I have kind of some echo here. I don't know because I'm in my living room, but I didn't expect shooting any video this week because honestly guys, I have been really busy because I don't know if you know, but I moved to a new house like a few months ago and summer is coming. Have been working in the backyard and some project that I want to check with you all later. But anyway, I've been so busy, and also this weekend, well, I'm leaving like on Tuesday or something like that. I'll be all the weekend out. I will do a video about another little blog that I want to share with you all. Yeah, that's coming as well. Anyway, I got a package today from how to spell that? Like ROMWE. This is kind of online store and they have kind of a lot of little nice stuff. First of all, when I was looking my social media, you know, because I look a lot of fashion clothes, all those things, they put the advertising. I saw that page, I like few things, but I thought it's gonna be a spam. So I wasn't so sure, but I said I will take the risk. So I got my card, I put it there, and I did a purchase a few things, like they are 16 items. It is so freaking cheap. It was just $60 in total for all of that. And yeah, I think, well, I will give it a try so that way I can discover if this brand is like real or it's a spam. I would like to check with you all everything. So I give it a try, and after probably even not 2 weeks, like 1 week and a half, I got the package. Again, it calls ROMWE, something like that. I'll put the description box, and also probably will put a logo here of the brand. You can definitely check it out. But yeah, I wanna do this short video, so I won't talk a lot. I just wanna open the package and show you how they look and everything, my impression. Talk a little bit about it, yeah, let's move on. Okay, my socialite, here I have the package. As I told you, let me see, I have the computer. So I got 16 items, and the total was $60 with 91 cents. $60 with 91 cents. Include $4 in taxes, 99 cents in shipping, insurance, free shipping. The original total was $65. However, they have kind of a lot of code or promotion there that you can put it right away when you're checking out. Yeah, the discount was $9 with 72 cents, so that was good. So we have the thing, bunch of accessories, ring, bracelet, sunglasses. Summer is coming. You know, when I saw this in the computer or in my phone, I don't remember, I like the items. I say, summer is coming, I need to do some photo shoots, something cool, you know, doing my video. So I think they are really cool for that. I'm so happy I got the package. It wasn't a spam. So yeah, I definitely want to share with you all because I think this is really cheap. Let's see the quality, if it's worth it, and everything. Let's start just right now. Okay guys, the first thing that I got, 2 things, and I saw them, I thought they were great for kind of photo shoot that I'm planning already. So let me open this one. Let me show you. So this is kind of leather, something, let me show you. So this is something like that. You can put it on top of the shirt or something. Or I'm thinking doing kind of an underwear with this, like something sexy and nice. I don't know. I have something in my mind, so I'm thinking. But I'm so impressed. This was like $4, something like that. But look, it doesn't look bad at all. Oh my God, the finish is so good and everything. It looks like leather. I mean, it's not. But for any photo shoot or any occasion party that you need something like that right away for $4 or $5, oh my God, I'm so impressed. I mean, I didn't expect that. Honestly, I don't know where they do that, probably in China. I was expecting something really bad. I'm so impressed. This look really nice, guys. I'm so impressed and so happy because now I know that I can purchase more stuff there to do photo shoots and all those things. So I'm so excited to find this store. Yeah, so this is how it looked. Not bad at all. Let me do a close-up. Really cool, right? The second thing was another kind of in the same way or same style. I'm thinking for crazy stuff coming up. You know, I'm so active in my social media, like Instagram pictures, so you can definitely go to check it out, Kike Society, all my platform. And this is, look how cool it is. So this is something like that. I'm also thinking like do like a photo shoot, sexy with leather, I don't know. Something crazy is coming, you know me. But again, the finish doesn't look bad at all. All the thing well done. Behind, the back, in the front, look like leather. I'm so impressed. This looks amazing. I love it, guys. I'm so excited. So next thing, I got this. Just a face mask because I was thinking, I don't know, sometimes at night when I'm doing like looking through social media, I got kind of too creative, let's say, and I was thinking like I want to do a photo shoot with a nice mask, face mask, with a hair like that, luscious or something like that, and I want to put this photo as a remember of the whole pandemic. I don't know, crazy thing. I don't know if I'm gonna do that right now. So this is the mask because I saw in the picture is something like, I don't know, something like that. Yeah, I was thinking hair like that, big and something. I don't know, I'm crazy, but I don't know. This is not so great. You can see so fake print. Probably wanna do kind of Versace or something, but it's not. However, photo shoot, you never know, right? Probably you can do editing, good light, and gonna look great. I wanna try an underwear, which is gonna be between swimsuit or underwear, I don't know, but I love the color. And I'm so impressed. It doesn't look bad. It was like $3 or something. So this is the underwear. Oh my God, you will die with this color. It's so beautiful. Look at that. Oh my God, I love that green. And it's kinda satin, shiny. So cool for photo shoot again. Oh my God, I'm so impressed. You can see here the finish is not so bad. I expect something really ugly and disgusting, but no, it looks great. And I'm so excited. I can't wait to try it on. Oh, I love it. Next thing was a pair of socks. I'm so in love with these socks. They look so freaking good. Look this. Isn't that cool? Like really nice green with that purple. It looks so great. Let me put one. It looks kind of small for me, but when I put it on, I think it's gonna be. Let me show you. Look. I love it! Oh my God, I'm so excited. I got a bunch of accessories, mostly bracelets. So I don't know how to do this. Let me do so fast, each of them. So look how pretty it is. This. I mean, I know those are like $1 or something. I know probably they won't last for a long time, but for photo shoot, for something, they do the work, guys. For that price, so happy. I'm so happy. Then we got another here that you can match. Really cool. Look how cute it is. The shiny and everything. I don't know if that light help. For example, look. It's not beautiful. Actually, in person looks really nice, like luxurious, like expensive. This one, really cool. I love it. Then I got another here, which is more like green. Wow. Look that. Look how pretty it is. Beautiful green. I love it. I love the color. It looks also kind of fancy. It doesn't look so cheap. I got another here. These are more kind of informal, just like for every day. Like that. How cute! Oh my god, I loving it. With the little eyes and everything. I love it, I love it. So yeah. Then we got another one, which is more like just a simple one, really delicate. It's pretty. I love it. So yes, and then I got just one little bag of rings. Let me see how they look. I mean, they do the work. They do their work because you can just look, for example, that. You also can do like play with this. You can open it more if it doesn't fit your finger. Yeah, I think they're cool. We put this. Look this. Look this. It looks great. I love it. I mean, they do their work. I love it, love it, love it. So yeah, I'm talking about $1 or less than $2. So please, that's so great. Even if I use it just one day and after that it doesn't work anymore, for 1.99 or $1, that is so good. Then I got another crazy thing. I don't know if I'm gonna use this, but I saw it. I say, let's try this. So these are really cool for any crazy picture. And these are like gold to put on your teeth. Let me show you. Oh, this is in the top and this is for the bottom. However, let me see how they look. Oh, I'm so excited. So it's something like that. I mean, it looks ugly here, but when you are creative, you like creating content, crazy picture, that's good. Accessories like that work really, really well. And then the last thing in jewelry and those stuff is this. It's kind of put on your ear, like an earring, but so something like that. You have the, I have to open it here. Honestly, I don't even know how it works, but you put this little thing down here to open it, and then I don't know. I have to figure out, but something like that. I think it's gonna work. But again, so cheap, so why not try it, right? Then I got 3 sunglasses just to try because, you know, for pictures they are great as well. So colorful because summer is coming. I'm so excited. So let's see how they look, guys. Let me know if you have tried already ROMWE, also like that. Let's see. Like ROMWE. What do you think? I didn't know about it. Oh my god. Honestly, I'm not used to shopping like online, those online stores. So these are kind of red one. Look how it looks. I love it. Oh my god, I love it. What do you think? So this was also like so freaking cheap, and they don't look so bad. I mean, they look. If I touch them, of course they're cheap and everything, but not so bad for the price. Love it. So this is one, and also they came with a little bag and everything. I mean, everything. Like wow. So next I got. Let's see. I even don't remember which one exactly I got. Okay, this one looks really small. I don't think they're gonna fit me, but let's see. Okay, ooh, they are cute, but I think they are so small. Well, again, for photo shoot, they work. They do their job. The last one, which is another one, sunglasses. Let's check this. Ooh, so this looks, oh no, it's not the same. But I love the colors like champagne pink with some gold here. Look, it's not pretty. Oh. I mean, you have an outfit like that, you put those one in picture or video, they're gonna look great. I love it, oh my God. Really, really, really nice, guys. I'm so impressed. Honestly, for all those little things, it was just like $60. I hope you like this video. Please let me know in the comments down below if you already have tried Romwe. Let me know also if you have tried, because I know there are a bunch of kind of online stores. So let me know in the comments down below if you have already tried them. If you recommend any of them, because this is my first time, I definitely share with you all so you have an idea. They have bunch of things for guys, for girls, for everyone. So I'm so excited. You definitely already see what I showed you. And honestly, guys, giving you my honest opinion, again, I pretty much all my videos, I purchase my stuff. So I share with you all in case you wanna invest in something, but honestly, not bad. The quality for $5 or $4, I don't even remember how much was this, but the quality is not bad at all. Look, everything inside, everything. It doesn't look bad, so definitely you can go check it out. Also, you have any question, anything, let me know in the comments down below. I'm so excited. Remember, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, share. Also, if you want to join my channel, please do not forget to subscribe. Kike Society, creating different content, my different platforms. Kike Society, Instagram, Facebook page, and also TikTok. Try to do every week something for you all. And yeah, you all take care and see you in my next video, which is gonna be probably a vlog, because as I told you, this weekend I'm going somewhere. It's not a big place, but I like to travel a lot to different places or towns or everything, and I think it's great doing kind of little short vlog in case someday you are around there, so you have an idea where to go, cool thing, cute thing. So yeah, I'm so excited. So you all take care and see you in my next video. Big kiss for you all.